What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades, and that was horrible. I was trying to get it to where it worked smoothly, going from the intro to this while I was on live stream. Kind of biffed it that time, but I think I got the hang of it. Maybe next time it'll work out a lot better. So, tonight is a great episode. We have a whole lot of great information for you. We're going to be announcing all of the winners. If you hadn't seen it already for the Supernova Hackathon, I watched it yesterday and basically kind of took screenshots of all the winners. And we're going to show those to you as well. I guess Six Figs did a video about the grand champion winners earlier, and I don't have those. So that's kind of cool how I have all of the winners in each competition. He kind of had the grand champion winners. So you're going to definitely want to watch his video after this so you can see all of the winners in each category, and then go watch his video for the grand champion winners, which is the big prize. So that's kind of cool how it worked out that way. And then we're going to do some technical analysis for internet computer. Now is a very, very important time if you're accumulating internet computer, because after all of these 3,700 people and over 400 projects building on the internet computer got narrowed down to about like 25 or 30 different projects. It's pretty awesome how it kind of worked out that way. And I can't wait to see what these projects are doing. I can't wait to play Emo Lad, which is going to be one of the GameFi winners. Let's get into the winners so I can show you guys who won. Unless you actually watched the video, which is cool. It was like a 3-hour video. So if you didn't have time to watch it, or you just want to know the winners, we have that for you right here. So I hope you're able to see this. Let me see. Okay, you are able. Cool. So as you see on here, I know it might be a little bit hard for you to see. I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Can I zoom in here? Oh, I can. Oh, cool. And then, yeah. So let's zoom in even further, and then you can see the winners here. So this is going to be SocialFi, which is social media finance, which is open chat. I'm actually doing giveaways on there. If you like and comment on here, you don't have to. You can like and comment for free, but if you want to earn some ICP, I'm letting my subscribers and followers go over to open chat, which is a social finance app, and I will send you basically a gas fee for each like that you give. Today, if you do 4 videos, 4 likes, 4 comments, I will send you 0.001, and I might even up that in the future. It seems a little bit low, but we'll kind of see how that goes, and I'll do some giveaways. But let's get to our social finance winners right now. Contribute is our first place winner, and some people do 5 to 1. I'm actually, since they won, I'm gonna announce the first place first. Contribute, Team Bonsai, and I actually follow them on Discord. Team Bonsai, really great group of individuals. Really glad they took first place on social finance. Contribute, and this is where we take notes, people, and we can check it out for ourselves and do our own research. I always lose that. I have it on here, so I don't really need to write it down for right this second. But if you want to, go ahead. So first place, Contribute. Second place for social finance is Conshacks. Third place, Signals. Fourth place, Strikers. Fifth place, Crowd Eats. So this is just the social finance portion of it. These guys get a nice grant and a cash bonus. And if you want to see exactly how much they're going to get, you can go look at my blog on bitcoinrenegade.net. In the ICP blog section in the menu, you can go and see what the cash prizes are for each of these if you want to know exactly what they got paid, for their contributions to the internet computer, and kind of see how much they're getting as a grant as well to continue building. See, the cash influx is what they get right now, and then they also get to participate in the Definity Grant Program for a really, really high amount in the grant. So that's really cool that it's going to keep bringing value to the internet computer. I love how they've done that. they give them a nice reward and are going to reward them for their future building and contributions on the network. I just love how that just keeps bringing contribution to my brain. All right, let's move on to the next one now. And this one is going to be GameFi. Let me just zoom in here real quick for you. And here we go. Here are our GameFi winners. So first place, Cubetopia, which I'm going to be looking into all 5 of these, and we might play them. We'll see what's up. I love GameFi. This and the public good category are probably my favorite ones, for sure. So Cubetopia, congratulations. Round of applause for you guys. You beat EmoLad. And I already made some money off EmoLad, but the next time I buy is going to be to support the project, as well as I want to play the game. It's about dwarves, and, you know, I kind of like that, you know, dwarf, elf, you know, type game. So that's going to be pretty tight. You get to own your own weapons, which is a major thing for me in my video games that I play, having ownership of weapons as NFTs. Love that kind of thing. So, and they have playable characters as NFTs as well. Can't wait to see what they do with Mulata. Faefolk, number 3. Great job, guys. Pause Arena, player versus player, play to earn, IC Kitties. Okay. IC Kitties with the win. Nice. I was going to get one for my cat, and I never did. So I need to do that for sure. And then we have 5th place, Galactic War. Overclocked brains. Overclocked brains. Okay. Brains moving at the speed of light. So, again, one of my favorite categories for sure. Definitely going to be looking more into IC Kitties, EmoLad, Cubetopia. Just all of these look kind of cool. And see where they go, you know? Because not only can you own the NFT, but you get to play the game. So it provides real value. All right, let's move on to the next category. Metaverse and NFT, and these aren't in any particular order. And again, if you want to know how much they get for prizes, check out BitcoinRenegade.net ICP blog in the menu. You will be able to go and check out exactly how much they get for each category, for each place. Metaverse and NFTs, another great category. I really like IC Gallery. Gonna be really cool. Metaverse and NFTs. First place goes to Definity Squad, it looks like. ICP Squad. The D Squad, folks. So that's pretty cool. You know, shout out to ICP community. Great job, guys. Can't wait to see how you transition the old NFTs to the new ones, or what we need to do for that. So I'll be watching out for that in the next coming weeks, to figure out what to do about my old NFT. And I bet a lot of other people are, I bet they have a plan. So wait for that in the coming weeks. They're not just going to leave us hanging. You know, they wouldn't win first place in this contest and just leave us hanging. So just don't worry about that. If you minted an ICP Squad NFT, I will be looking into, you know, what we need to do in the future. So that's great. They definitely deserve the win. They bring a lot of community together on YouTube. I mean, they have less than 2,000 subscribers and they get mad views. So great job. They're doing really good. They have a lot of Twitter followers. I just personally like Victor, and I think they're great people. So Debunker, Oxford Digital Labs, second place here. I'm not 100% sure what that is. Definitely look more into it. Not my thing, but they took third place. Sega Tarot, gotta, you know, give them their shout out because they did get third place. Again, just not my thing. Fourth place, IC Avatar Creator, Outpost core contributors, fifth NFO prototype, Beyond NFTs Apocalypse Studios. Again, all great job to all of these finalists for bringing value to the internet computer, the project I believe in. So yeah, thank you guys. All right, now let's move on to the next one. Being as professional as possible there. Now, this is the project that I really like and I believe in. Public good, social impact. And if you guys know me and you know my channel and you know our subscribers and everything, you know how much we value giving back. If we have a platform to use, we're going to use it to make a difference in any kind of way possible. And you got my vote on here for sure. Public good, social impact, crowdfund NFT. I've been looking at that's what's so cool about this first place here, crowdfund NFT. I've actually been looking into that. These guys really help NFT projects get up and running with funds. It's exactly how the name sounds, crowdfund NFT. They crowdfund money, and it works really, really well, as from what I've seen, and that's why it took first place, right? So I love it. It helps artists, projects, games like GameFi, stuff like that, just get up and running and navigate, the financial part of getting your NFT business up and running, basically. There's a lot more to it than that, but that's it in a nutshell. So, great job, first place. Love to see that. Proof of personhood, Astro X Network. That one, I don't know what that is, but I'm definitely going to be looking into it. That's why I wanted to know. I didn't, or I wasn't able to accumulate any of the actual winners, which they probably they did an episode and did all this, so they definitely had that covered. So, but I would have liked to see a lot of the projects that didn't make it as well, so that we can support them too. Because we do want to support these guys first because they won, and that means they're going somewhere. But the other projects, I want to support them as well. So maybe we'll figure out what ones didn't place, and we'll go shout them out, or we'll do something to make a video about one of the projects or something. Who knows? We'll just do something to show them our appreciation, even if they didn't make it. All right. So internet computer, or wait, we skipped IC Maps. IC Maps number 3, Christoph Sutter. I knew someone with that name before. Probably not the same person, but IC Maps. Again, I don't know exactly what this one is, but we'll be looking into all of. Maybe we'll do that on an episode where we take all of these and we just go look at the projects real quick and go through all of them, but not this one right here. We're just kind of getting the info, and then we'll do a little bit of TA, check the comments. I'm looking at them. Doesn't look like. I tried to tell you to go away, man. Internet computer footprint is number 4. Carbon Crowd. Again, obviously a great project if it placed, and then MetaMob. So I definitely would like to showcase all of these projects. And if you want to hear more about these projects, check out the actual Supernova Hackathon right here. It has way more than 5,000 views now, but it's on Definity right here. Go check them out. Check out this video right here. It's 3 hours long, but it's worth every minute of it. You won't feel like you missed out on time. Now, let's go to Blue Sky. Now, basically, Blue Sky is all of the others. They don't have an actual category. They're just building something cool on the internet computer. Now, I like Kinnick ever since Six Figs introduced me to it. It just, it kind of gives you a place where you can go look up any project built on the internet computer, basically. And it showcases it that way. So Kinnick definitely deserves the win. I like what they're doing. Second place, CanDB, CanScale. Again, we'll have to look into these more. Fox IC, Astro X Network, D-Tie. What is that? Decentralized time travel. Okay, I thought that was a joke when I first heard it, but okay, it's a legit project. Decentralized time travel. I'm really interested in that one though. I mean, that's different, right? Decentralized time travel. Okay. Internet Computer Services, RivRam Inc. Okay. Not sure what that one is either, but I don't know who won the community pick. Okay. That's all. There was a community pick and the grand champion. We will leave that to Six Figs, and if you want to know more about that, go follow Definity, or I'll have some more updates. Probably in a new blog. I'm probably going to make all that what I just showed you there and the winner and all of that combined into a blog. And just I would also like to put some of the runners up in there and kind of showcase them. So let's go ICP to the moon, baby. And it's going to be funny when we have the next move. Everybody's gonna, freak out and be like, "Oh, yeah, should have bought it at $5. Oh, it'll never go above $10." And then when it goes to 15, oh, it'll never go above 15. I wouldn't even bought it at 5. Then instead of $50. I just think it's funny when I've done it myself with Bitcoin when it first came out. I thought it was internet funny money, so I was like, I ain't touching that I wouldn't touch that with your money. And then I researched it and I was like, oh. Well, man, that was stupid of me to not look at what it was before I judged it. We do that though. Like if we just think like it's so ridiculous, because honestly, the idea of Bitcoin and crypto, it is kind of ridiculous. I mean, you have to be some kind of adventurous spirit to get into crypto, right? I mean, it's basically stocks that evolved. Seriously, is what stocks should have been in the first place. So now let's go into some technical analysis. Let me see what else you guys are talking about. Shout out to Bitcoin Renegade from London. Oh no way, we got our European homies here. What's up, Ray? What's up, fake news? That name gets me every time. It is invaluable, man. I'm not perfect every time, but I do most of the time try to have good value with my videos. Sometimes it's hard when you're in a bear market and nothing's really happening. A lot of people originally watched my channel because I made really good calls in crypto in the bull run. I did. I've been kind of not the best in the bear run. Sorry, guys, the bear market, right? But wait till that next bull run. And if you start accumulating now, you will have one up on everybody when I start making those good calls again in the bull run. I'm not a very great bear market guy, but I did really well. And I think I made a lot of people money in the bull market. Now, the bear market, it took me by surprise. And you'd be lying if you said it didn't take you by surprise as well. It kind of got all of us. Some people thought it was coming early, like BitBoy Crypto. He said September. And I was really saying be careful in February. I said February is the normal dump time. But then I started listening to other influencers that are like, no, we're going up one more time. And I knew not to believe them, but I didn't even listen to myself when I was like, no, it's not. It's done now. So, but I did at least sell half of my Bitcoin at 63K. The only thing is I rode down on some altcoins like the Graph. I lost like $3,100, but I think I'm going to make it all back. I really think the Graph is going to do okay. With Internet Computer, it didn't drop as much on me as the Graph did. Not quite. It did drop a significant amount for my first buy-in at $44, but that was a long time ago, and I think I've got a lot smarter since then. And actually, Internet Computer is now at a price where I'm like Bitcoin at 8,000. For real. Like that's the opportunity I see here. Is almost the same kind of opportunity I saw when I got into Bitcoin in the first place. And that's why I said now is the time. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ICP, but especially ICP. Because Bitcoin already had its run from 8K to 69. Now, ICP is just out the gate a year. Imagine ICP as old as Bitcoin is right now. Then you're talking $1,000 or more in value. So let's start looking at the price right now. I know it might not look as sexy as we would like, but honestly, it's held $5 like a champ. And I I was hoping for that the whole time, but honestly, with the way the market was going, I was expecting it, to wick down maybe again. But I like how it's holding this level strong. And if it can continue to do this, it's like a race, right? But this is like a slow race. It isn't like a race to be the fastest. It's basically a race to see who can hold the longest. And right now, we are still above the area of danger, of absolute danger, which is anything basically below $5.10. If we go below $5.10 all the way to 453, that is our danger zone. And if we break below the 453, then all bets are off, right? It could wick down to 3. But I don't expect that to happen. We aren't even in the danger zone yet. So until we are, I'm not going to worry you about it. But keep an eye on that level for sure. Because as you see, the top of this is actually in the danger zone. The downward trending resistance now turns support. It's about 425. And then if we go tomorrow, it goes down even lower to 4. And then the next day it goes down even lower. See how that works? So, but the longer we withstand that, the more accumulation we have at this level, the better off we are. This is looking like a double bottom scenario. So technically, even if we do wick down in here, you see there's only one wick in this area. That could trigger some kind of a double bottom situation. So even though things look bad, I think it's about a turnaround point for internet computer. Whether we have to go down, sometimes you have to, go down a little bit before you can go back up. It's kind of like a rubber band or a slingshot. If you pull it back, you're going to have more momentum going upwards. So, and there is no momentum really from the upwards to project it down that's going to say that, yeah, we're going to not only go down here, but we're going to break it as well. So let's get some indicators out here to really look. But even just looking at the price movement and these lines, it really tells a lot. So that's why we did that. Oh, man. Okay. On the daily, we broke back under this, but we were yesterday too. So, and it looks like it does want to start making a little bit of a curl upwards. So, hopefully, Bitcoin holds its own at 19 and goes back above 20. This is the reason we're sitting at 5 right now. They tried the Bitcoin hammer on us, everybody. I don't think the Bitcoin hammer works very well when the dominance is the way it is. I think the Bitcoin hammer only works kind of in a downtrend after a bull run. Like it only kind of works when we're already really going down. Remember back here when it really did it? This is the 3-day, but these were the big Bitcoin hammers back then. And it kind of tried to do the same thing to us today. You can't really see it on there, but I'd like to show you on Coinbase. It's just going to be a line or a price chart, not a trading view, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about right here. Let's just, for 1 second. Notice the Bitcoin hammer in there anywhere? Where it just goes down, it pumps and then dumps again. That's the Bitcoin hammer we've talked about for so long. Look what it did to the price of altcoins, though, if you don't believe me. It doesn't go up as far, but it sure does take it down, doesn't it? It doesn't work as good in a bear market, though, as it did on our way down. I guess we were technically in a bear market at that time, but it seems to work better the higher market cap altcoins have. So Bitcoin owns more of the market than normal, right? For the most part. Actually, we can look that up. let's see the market dominance of Bitcoin real quick so that we can see. Dominance, June, or actually we're July now, 2022. Okay. Is this the day chart? Look what it does on the dominance though. Okay, July, May. Look at that dominance go way up like that. That's because Bitcoin's taking more of the market and altcoins are losing a lot of the market. So, yeah, it definitely uses the Bitcoin dominance. That 43.35%, which means Bitcoin owns almost half of the entire market. So, and then Internet Computer, I'd like to see how much it owns. Okay. What is that? Calculated by. Huh. Okay. I have no clue what's going on here. Hey, there's gold. Gold's doing just about the same as crypto. Not doing too hot. All right. Anyway, what the heck? Yeah, leave. Okay, you guys are still here. All right, now let's do some TA. Hopefully we're gonna get back above this simple moving average right here. But I mean, this bottom right here is looking kind of funky. Oh yeah, that's not good. That is not good at all. Yeah, we have a descending triangle happening here with this bottom right here. And but we also might have a double bottom. So that's what I was talking about. Hopefully this double bottom happens instead of this descending triangle because that's a continuation pattern to the downside. Now, if we go to the upside, it just kind of means more sideways. So that's probably what's going to happen. Honestly, the market's looking sideways until we get a massive pump with Bitcoin and other things in the market start to shape up. You're going to see, look how oversold we are on Bitcoin on the 3-day. So oversold. And back here, we were undersold. We were just overbought right here. Now we're underbought, oversold. So Bitcoin is going to recover soon. So is crypto. It's just a matter of when. So now let's look at the 4-hour chart, and I'm just going to kind of go faster now. As you can see, a lot more sideways action, but yeah, I'm looking for a double bottom to come here. Now this and that would kind of look like a double bottom, but I would like to see like this and then even that. So if this comes down here, we could end up catapulting right out of that and back up to above $6. $6 is going to be a massive area of resistance. Now the EMA 50 is going to be at 553. So let's look at the 100. Yeah, and that one's going to be at 575. So this is going to be a big area of resistance. But if we can get this double bottom to happen and use it as like a slingshot, like I said, to go up into this and crash through that, that would be good. And we could possibly sit right about $6 again and turn that area into support. I'd like to see that. But let's go down to the 30-minute and see where we're at. So we're not oversold, we're not undersold. Everything is looking about in the middle, but we are below the simple moving average. That's not great. I'd like to see a little more, but yeah, on the 30-minute, it just looks kind of like a symmetrical triangle. Like it just wants to squeeze. Squeeze. Oh, it looks like it kind of broke to the downside of that symmetrical triangle, yo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And we closed down there, but that's only on the 30 minutes. So hopefully we get back up in there. We really need to establish 525. Okay, we were there too. Man, we need to get back above 525 pretty soon. 530 would be nice. Then we could get a breakout with some volume. So we need buy orders to come in right now. Let's look at the 15-minute, but yep, it's not looking the best. Yeah, on the 15, not a whole lot to look at. Yeah, the RSI is just looking bad. We're underneath of it. We really need a breakout to the upside very, very soon, like right now. This would be a good kind of slingshot area. See how we broke the trend and went down. Now, if we can use this as a catalyst, as an area of support to catapult us up further, we could go up and smash the 50, the 100, on the 15-minute at 525 and continue upwards even 530 and then start moving on the larger time frames. We need to get back up in this area and even above. So until that happens, it's not looking the best. Yep. See that? We're just in this symmetrical squeeze right here. So, and it looks like it's shortened to the downside. The cool thing, hold on the 4 hour, I think we're above the simple moving average. Yeah, we are. So the 4 hour still has some strength. And as long as we can make a kind of a reversal from right here, this is a crucial point. Really crucial point. Hopefully that's not a bear flag. Oh no. Oh no. That's a sketchy bear flag and it broke to the downside. So, uh-oh. I mean, if that's the case, we're toast. Let's see what it would go to. 426. So, but we still are above the simple moving average. This is going to be our last saving grace, everybody. I don't know what's going to happen here, but I'm kind of sketched a little bit. Don't go down. Hold this level, ICP. You can do it. All right, now's the time we start believing. You will hold this level, ICP. Hold this level. You can do it. All right, let me get back to the comments here. What do you guys think? Is it going to hold it? Is it not? Are we done? Is it Christmas? Or is it 4th of July? He's down to earth, genuine, funny, and a good conversationalist. Well, thank you, Mr. Ray. You guys are awesome too. My episodes are better every time that you guys say stuff. So thank you for showing up. Well, God bless you guys. When is the ICP Bitcoin integration in July? Like I said before, once I have that information, I will give it to you. I am, trying to keep track on ICP swap, Infinity swap, and Sonic because they're going to be the ones that are leading the way into the Bitcoin integration. I'm watching for Definity to come out with a new video saying, yes, we're done. So I would keep an eye on my channel and also Definity as well for information pertaining to the Bitcoin integration, which is going to be cool because then on Open Chat, not only can I send you ICP Satoshis, I will also be able to send you Bitcoin Satoshis for liking, commenting, and stuff like that. It will just help YouTube send my videos out to other people when you like, comment, and share, especially. I know that one's a hard one, people to get people to share it, but I guess YouTube loves it, and the more you guys do it, the more they show my videos to other people. So thank you for that. HODL. That's the best advice. Dollar cost average. HODL, HODL, HODL. And don't give up. Things are looking bad, but they also look like they're going to turn around very soon. So now, if we do go down and get another double bottom, if worst case scenario happens and we do go back down to 5 or even below, down to 4 something, or even, you know, touch down to like 480 or even lower, maybe 450, just to scare us, then we go back up again. So if it does, that's a great buy period. It's not going to stay lower than $5 for very long. And yeah, it could really lead to a nice double bottom. Let's see, the lowest that it went was right over here, right? So if we get that bottom to come in, and then if this even goes down, like I said, down here, that would be a massive double bottom. I was thinking here to here, but actually here to over here. This could have acted as a double bottom right here, this and that, but I think it was a little bit too far up. So who knows? We might have to go test this, but since I'm saying that we might have to go test this, it might actually break to the upside because that means we're about at max pain. So worst case scenario, it just gives us a bigger bounce to the upside when we get it. So I'm really not worried about the price of this right now. With all the Supernova Hackathon and everything, going for the internet computer, it's awesome. These are dream level prices. Let me buy this all day long. Thank you very much. I appreciate the opportunity to buy at this level. I don't have a whole lot of money, so I want to get it for as cheap as possible. So I might be able to get 2,000 ICP instead of the 1,000 I wanted. So it's looking good. Crypto is in winter mode. We activated our winter gear, even though it's summertime for half the world. You know what I found out? Australia has their Christmas in the summertime. Did you know that? I only know that because I was friends with somebody in Australia and it was Christmas time. And I was like, wait, how could it be Christmas here and there at the same time? Because we have winter. Isn't the other side of the world on summer? They're like, yeah, we have our Christmas in the summertime. So there's some useless knowledge that I found out. I was like, no way. So, like, it's July for you guys? And so Christmas in July is a real thing, like for Australians and anyone on that side of the world. I wonder if it's the same in India, too. Like, do you guys have Christmas in the summer? So weird. No wonder they've been dreaming of a white Christmas because they can never have one. It's in the summertime. So weird. Like, it's December here, but it's December there? Yeah, it's December there too, but it's on the other side of the world, so it's summertime. So technically, December is their summertime, and July is their winter time. Oh wow, that is weird. Okay, anyway, I just never thought of stuff like that. I just always thought that I don't know. I guess I thought it was two different Decembers. Like we have our December, and then like they have their December, but it's all the same. It's just a different season outside. That would be so weird. I have to move to Australia for a summer or for a winter. Wait, would it be a summer or winter? If it was my summer and it's winter. So technically, would I be in summer and winter at the same time? Okay, that's a trip. You could fly from summer to winter. If you flew from the United States to Australia, It's summer here, it's winter there. So it would actually be better if it was winter here and summer there, because it gets really cold here. It doesn't get that cold here. So if it was snowing here and I didn't want to be in the snow, that's how everybody is like, oh yeah, just go somewhere warm for the winter. But technically it's not winter, so you're going from your winter to their summer. No wonder. Okay. Anyway, that's your useless knowledge for today. Christmas in well, it's not in July, it's in December. So it's not Christmas in July, it's just Christmas in the summertime in December. Anyway, I can't wait for the Bitcoin integration. But you know what's cool about the Bitcoin integration? It's the same in the US as it is on Australia. So it's not like summertime here and wintertime there for the Bitcoin integration. It's going to be Bitcoin integration here, Bitcoin integration there. Don't ask me. I think we're getting a little bit silly here. I don't know. Did you guys know that? Is it the same in Russia? Is it well, it's always winter there, isn't it? I know it's cold there. Um, yeah, just I pray a blessing for that side of the world. I don't want to go into any of that, but yeah, bless all you guys over there. All of you. All right. So last little bit of business. Follow me on Bitcoin Renegade on Twitter. But the biggest thing that I want to show you is BitcoinRenegade.net right here. Our official website is going to have the prize amounts for all those winners that I showed you in each category. And then if you want to know the grand champion, go over to Six Figs. I could have showed you here, but I'd rather shout him out and have you go watch his video and figure it out, because that's what I need to do. Watch it again. He said it on there, but I didn't track it in my brain. So, all right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye